Farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know.
Hey everyone, it's Astrema Simone here. If you're new, how you doing? Today is going to be a productive day for me. I already picked up my daughter from school. I've been falling behind a lot on my wifely, momly duties. I am a stay-at-home mom. I fell a little behind because I wasn't feeling well. I had some problems with my eyes the other day and I had to go to an eye doctor. I'm going to be wearing my glasses throughout this video because I need to see y'all. Thank goodness, thank God, thank that I didn't go blind, okay? I'm so happy to have my vision still. But I gotta get back to regular schedule programming, so I need to tidy up, I need to clean. I fell back behind with laundry, cleaning the bathroom. Some things are very unorganized. You know, when you're feeling unwell, things just get out of place. I also need to cook dinner tonight. I'm gonna be making my third attempt at brown stew chicken. My family is Jamaican, but this is not gonna be a traditional Jamaican brown stew chicken. It's gonna be very easy and delicious. The last time I made it was really good. I hope that I'll just keep improving and this could be helpful for anyone that wants to make a brown stew. If you have any suggestions, I'm not a pro at cooking. I'm getting in the kitchen now. All is welcome in the comment section. Any tips, tricks. I'm just gonna be using skinless chicken thighs. I've used chicken wings, drums. This is gonna be my first time using thighs. You could use practically any part of the chicken you want. I'm going to clean the chicken. There's fatty pieces I want off. I'm gonna take my kitchen scissors and cut off that excess fat.
Mobbing on the low, getting on the low, smoking on the low.
I'm just gonna soak it in some water and add some vinegar to it. Get off most of that slime. Here are all of the seasonings that I will be using. It's optional. You can use whatever you want. There are some staple ingredients that would be needed. Browning, of course. You can also use gravy master if you don't have the browning. I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken. Chicken bouillon, about 1 teaspoon. And then everything else I'm just gonna Sazon all-purpose seasoning, Lari seasoned salt, black pepper, some paprika, help give it its color, onion powder, Italian seasoning, which is kind of making up for the fact that I don't have any more time. A little bit of the garlic scallion, ground white pepper, which is like my first time really cooking with this ground ginger. Just a little bit of garlic powder because we're gonna be adding some actual garlic. Then we're gonna go ahead and mix this all around. Preferably marinate this overnight, but if you don't have time, you can do it like early in the morning. I wish I would have done it in the morning. I am going to let this sit and marinate for 1 hour, and I'm gonna move on to something else. It is time to tackle this laundry that piled up. We did laundry like the other day and it is everywhere. If this is your first time watching me, we live in New York City in a small apartment. We have a portable dryer and a portable washing machine. This is a 3.0 cubic feet, I believe. I will link it below. I got it from Amazon, and I also got this Black & Decker dryer from Amazon, and it works pretty well. Got the stand. It didn't come together to put it on top of each other. It's very helpful to do laundry within the house, but it will also pile up if you don't pack it away. But because I wasn't feeling well, I didn't pack the stuff away. So now this is what the heck we're left with. Don't judge me, judge yourself. I'm comfortable enough to share it with y'all, but I wouldn't feel comfortable having company right now because there's nowhere to sit. So we're gonna tackle this real quick and let's play some music. Alexa, play Doja Cat.
Shuffling songs by Doja Cat on Amazon Music.
Hey.
I've been missing out the walk with the minute. I've been building up the blocks like a mini. Elliot got water dripping out the ceiling. Oh my God, boy he got a God. Oh my God, boy that boy on top. Sipping walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah my love my thigh. Yo, I let go, put her on roll, put that on payroll, put that on go. Yeah she like to go, yeah she love to blow. Get that slow, like snow cone. Yo, get that bag, show 'em how to ball. I'm in the mall, yeah I'm sitting tall. Look like yeah I mean, all these hoes know, all these hoes know. Cardi got the roll, give me a minute, yeah I need a minute. I'm in a minute, I'm in a minute. I'm gonna tell you, Cardi being pimpin', Cardi being kickin', kick the shit in. Yo, give me a minute, yeah I need a minute. Cardi walk in, Cardi making good. money making hit.
You guys, it's been about an hour. I was jamming out, so it took me a little longer. Finally got it done. The living room is back to normal, and I feel like a weight is lifted off of my shoulders. I am about to get started on dinner. I gotta put these eye drops in my eyes. I gotta put it in like 4 times a day till this clears up, whatever the heck is going on. It is completely marinated. I have my always pan with some oil in it that's heated up, and I'm gonna go ahead and fry each side of the chicken thigh for about 4 minutes, just until it's like a little brown. And we're gonna save this for later. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it a little brown. And we're not cooking it all the way through, we're just making it brown on each side. So now I'm gonna take my chicken out and just put it in another bowl. They are like brown on both sides. If this was chicken with skin, you would really see the brownness. Put that to the side. I have a little bit of fat and grease in here. I'm gonna pour off most of it and leave a little bit inside. Add my onions. Having onions, bell peppers, green onions will really make it like a lot more flavorful, but use what you got. Okay. And this is where we're making like the sauce for the stew. I'm gonna add my ketchup. The leftover seasoning bowl, I'm gonna add some water to it. Pour that in. And I'm gonna add some actual water. I'm gonna add some sugar, about 2 teaspoons. And then of course, I'm going to add the star of the show, a browning, which is gonna give it its color. Add a little bit more ketchup. You could also add hot sauce. Because I'm feeding this to my daughter as well, she doesn't like hot sauce. I don't really put anything too spicy or she won't eat it. I'm gonna make this cook down for about 2 minutes. Clean up as I cook so that it's easier when I'm done. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add back the chicken into the pot. If you have a Dutch pot, this would be perfect, but I don't have a Dutch pot. I'm gonna let it stew for 30 to 45 minutes, only because I like my chicken very tender. All right, so while the food is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and attempt this bathroom cleaning. It's way overdue. My bathroom is really small. The heat traps in here really easily. I ain't even gonna show y'all all the way down there. You could kind of really see it. From washing my hair and stuff in the bathtub, it kind of stopped up a little. I'm gonna be using this Family Dollar brand drain opener. Cleans drains in minutes. This was really affordable, so I hope it does clean it in minutes. Palm it with bleach. I also have these two for like the soap scum. I am manifesting a larger bathroom one day soon. I have my little scrub brush on the way in the mail, so we're just gonna use this instead. This is for like dishes, but now I just have this one only for the bath.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know what you feel. It's hard for me to understand.
Now that I'm all done with the bathroom, it is time to see how this chicken is looking. Ooh, that is looking so good. Do you see that? Do you see that? I'm so proud of myself. But oh my gosh, you guys. Let's taste test. Here is my hubby's plate. I know we're missing some greens. We're missing some things, but it's okay. Quick and easy, and we're about to taste it. I got a special guest, my Mimi.
Hi.
I'm gonna taste test. She said she wants to be here with me taste testing for you guys. So I got my plate here.
Ooh, that chicken looks good.
And I got Mila's plate here. But she wants to watch me taste test first.
Yeah. Does it taste good?
Tastes like I want to go sit down and eat. This is good.
Oh.
That is brown stew chicken.
What's brown stew chicken?
What we eating. Don't have every single thing, but it tastes good. Okay. If it's good, give it a thumbs up.
And if not, give it a thumbs down.
But no talking when you're eating. So if it's good, give it a thumbs up.
Mm.
Thumbs up? Why you took so long? Well, if you try this out, y'all let me know in the
Give
comments.
the recipes.